Namaste. Good morning, children. Welcome to PE Fitness Circle Training. This week Saturday, as usual, PE Fitness Circle Training ali 6 exercise. This week, strength, speed, and agility coordination exercise. All 6 exercise should be same strength and speed, agility coordination exercise. Yes, I will tell you one by one. Yes, Burpee. No, first one is back W hold. First one, back W holding. Second one is lateral up, side to side. And third one is jumping launch. Third one. Fourth one is Burpee. And fifth one is mountain climbing. And sixth one is agility dots. This is 6 exercise. I will tell you one by one. Yes. First one. Yes. Take the mat. No equipments for this one. Yes. First one. Back W shape holding. Yes. Lie down. Yes. Your hand should be W shape like this. Yeah. Upper body and lower body. Legs should be join the legs and 20 counts. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes. Relax. Slowly relax. Yes. Back W shape holding is a good effective back muscles and shoulder muscles and your hands muscles. The W shape holding is a strengthen for your body and exercise. Okay, this is 20 counts. Next, lateral up. You can take the 1 feet. For that, anyone you can keep. I will adjust for the 2 dumbbells for the single leg up, lateral hopping. Yes. First right leg. Yes. Here to here jump. Yes. Like this you can jumping. Sidewards you can moving. Yes. 20 or 15 or 10. Okay. Each leg. Ready? Start. Second one. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Yes. Switch leg or left leg. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20. Yes. Do it fast. Both the legs hopping sidewards. This is lateral hopping side to side. This is good exercise for your leg, both the leg and calves muscles and ankle muscles should be strengthened exercise and your body should be flexibility and strength. This is lateral hopping. Yes. Next, third one is jumping launch. Jumping launch. You know that jumping launch? Yes. Continuous jump. Yes. Like this, your legs should be stretched and immediately jump. Change your legs. Jump. Okay. Ready, children? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes. Jumping launch. This one is good exercise. Your lower back and your hip muscles and adductor muscles should be stretched and back leg should be stretched. Thigh muscles and hip muscles and your front muscles also exercise. This is good exercise and strengthen for your lower back muscles. Okay. Next, third one, Burpee. Third one is Burpee. You know that? Jumping Burpee. Yes. Ready? Yes. 20. Yes. 1, 2. Yes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes. 20 burpee jump is good fitness and strengthen and agility exercise. Is body full body stretches. This is the burpee exercise. Yes, your hands and lower back muscles, upper body, and your all the body should be good exercise. Strength and speed exercise. Next, fifth one is yes, mountain climbing plank position. Plank position, 20 mountain climbing. Yes, ready? Start. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then faster, you can, your speed should be improved. Mountain climbing, speed also and strength, your shoulder strength, leg strength muscles should be improved. Mountain climbing, this is the fifth one. Sixth one is agility darts. Agility darts, take like this box, 2 feet box and plus mark inside, plus mark. This is also agility and coordination exercise. 4 side single leg hopping agility darts. Say like this. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4 side also you can touch the your leg. Okay, side is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 crosswise, whatever you want to you can do. First one means you can touch the all the box. Okay, ready? Can show you first right leg. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, faster then. Okay, each leg 20 counts. Yes, switch to next leg, left leg. Yes, same as it is. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, each leg 10 count or 20 count. You can practice for the all the 6 exercise. You can practice and first round. After the first round, you take the break for 5 minutes. You can practice for the PE fitness circle exercise. This is the speed, strength and agility coordination exercise. You can your help agility that your help for the your agility means activities. Your agility coordination should be improved. This all the exercise first round and second round and third round. You can reduce the reduce the numbers or increase the your numbers. Yes, as usual, 7 and 8, 8th standard students, you can 20 or 10 counts, 10 numbers. and 9th and 10th boys should be 20-20, and girls also, all the girls 10-10 counts. Okay, you can practice home PE fitness class. Thank you children, have a nice day, bye bye.